Hello, welcome to another review. Today I'm showing you the IT Works keyboard. It is the US international layout, which I'm happy about, and I'll tell you why for in a minute. It's nothing fancy, basic, which is suitable for my needs. I don't need all these 1,000 hotkeys and scroll wheels and whatever. I don't need that. So this is why I bought this one, for that and for another particular reason which I'll show you in a minute. So this is the keyboard. I've been using it now for a few hours. It's black. It ain't too bad, I suppose. The thing that's laying it down at the moment is the black dark plastic around it. It don't half leave fingerprint marks, which I'm going to be having to keep cleaning up because that's just going to do my nutting. Apart from that, apart from the fingerprint marks, it is a very nice keyboard. Now, why did I buy this? Well, if you have a look at the keys, see how nicely they are spaced out between each other. Right, that looks like a Mac keyboard. Well, the wireless Mac keyboard here I've got. If I show you that, see how the keys nicely spaced out, and have a look at that. You can see them very similar with the space of the keys. Even the size of the keys itself. The Macs are a bit bigger. These ain't too bad. I'm quite happy with the size of them. Oh yeah, I forgot about this. That's another letdown. Is they moved the is that forward? Yeah, they moved the forward slash up to here, which I ain't too keen on, because as I'm typing, I want to hit enter. Sometimes you do hit that, because on the bigger keyboard here, well, not bigger, on a different keyboard like the Logitech one here, so the enter button's a bit bigger. Now it sort of covers like that, two keys on there, and so in the Mac you sort of got a bigger button up there. So that's a bit of a letdown, but again I can live with it. Well, the main reason why I bought this, like I said, is because it looks like a Mac keyboard. Well, it don't look like it. Well, yeah, it does look like it, because you got the bigger spaces between the keys. You got like almost the same key size, and even the feel of it almost feels like a Mac. Now, I've been a Mac user for only a month and a half. I've been PC user for God knows how long now. As far as I can remember, put it that way. I believe my first PC was a Pentium. I think it just released Pentium 2. So you can tell how far that's going back. And because of that, because I've been on there using a Mac more often, going on to a PC now, it just feels odd and weird. I'm more used now to a Mac in the time I've spent on it, which is only a month and a half, than I have on my PC that's been years and years. So I wanted to try and get a feel of a Mac on my PC, and this keyboard has helped and done the trick. Very happy with it. It's done what I want. It has got a few function keys on. Not many. You got your PC one there to open up your my computer. You've got to open up my calculator. Your volume controls, your mute. Between F9 and F12 are function keys, which you got function button here, and that is rewind, stop, play, pause, fast forward. So that's all the function keys and the hotkeys there is on this keyboard. Like I said, for what I use my PC for, is perfect, and I don't need all these fancy ones. It is wired, but again that don't matter to me as much. Overall, if you're looking to get a, well, how can I say this? If you want to get if you want, how can I say this? If you want a Mac feel, or if you want to use a Mac keyboard on your PC, right? Obviously, you can't use this particular one. Well, think I've heard stories that people have got it to work, but some of the keys ain't functional. This is the other solution. It's similar to a Mac keyboard. It's got the same feel as a Mac keyboard. It's a bit bigger than a Mac keyboard because you got all these keys here, which is nice. Overall, this will do the job. Overall, I'm happy with it. I'm going to give it a GT ratings of 4 out of 5. It just dropped that one rating because it does leave your fingerprint marks, and the / key is in the wrong spot, I believe. Again, I can live with it. So that's it from me. That was the IT Works keyboard. And as always, you can follow me on www.geekstech.co.uk, twitter.com/4geekstech, that's the number 4. You can search for us on Facebook, Geekstech, that's me.me/geekstech, youtube.com/geekstech, where you can subscribe to our videos. We've got liveqa.co.uk, which is a community-based run technical questions and answers, anything to do on technical gadgets, matter of fact. We've got a live video feed going out over the web live 24 hours a day, 7 days a week at live.geekstech.tv. I have having a slight problem with that at the moment, so it may be up and down for the next week, but I am working on it. Well, at the time of this recording anyway. And as always, got any questions or queries, or maybe you want to send me something to review, sure, send me an email at wayne@geekstech.co.uk. Well, until the next time, I'll see you later.